think it's morally the only possible decision. I don't think there should be people who have no faint chance at all. Some people who are very unlikely ever to be released.
Alberta murderers now have a chance of parole sooner than thought because of a new Supreme Court of Canada decision. Killers like Douglas Garland, who was sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole for 75 years after killing a couple and a 5-year-old kid in Calgary. Edward Downey, who murdered a Calgary woman and her 5-year-old daughter, and Travis Baumgarter, who shot 4 of his co-workers at the U of A during a robbery. They all had to serve consecutive life sentences. Now they can serve those life sentences concurrently, meaning each of them could seek parole after 25 years.
It doesn't increase danger. That the fact that somebody might get out after 25 or 30 years will only show that society can forgive if the person demonstrates that he can be trusted. So there is no risk to anybody from an eventual release.
Lawyer Julius Gray says not having a glimmer of hope when it comes to parole makes prisons more dangerous and could actually stop people from making amends and seeking redemption. Regardless, not everyone shares that sentiment. Alberta's Justice Minister furious at the Supreme Court decision and says this needs to be overturned immediately.
The Supreme Court got this wrong, and I'm calling on Parliament to restore parole ineligibility for those who are convicted of committing multiple murders by using the notwithstanding clause to hold multiple murderers to account.
Garland, Downey, and Baumgarter would all be eligible for parole after 25 years served.
Quite frankly, I don't think that Albertans care that, and I don't, that this idea that a lifetime imprisonment is a hardship on somebody who is convicted of or pleading guilty to a mass murder.
Calgary Nose Hill MP Michelle Rempel-Garner agreeing with Minister Tyler Shandro, saying the government has a duty first and foremost to stand with those victims and make sure the Supreme Court ruling doesn't stand. She also notes the ruling contradicts a decision made by the Alberta Court of Appeals last year that there should be no volume discount for heinous multiple murders. In Edmonton, Safe Kaiser, City News.